So first we are going to prepare what? Production budget. As we know that there is a prescribed format or equation. What is that? We can do together. First you give me the reply of that. How many unit to be produced? Now expected sales minus opening stock plus closing stock of raw material or finished goods? Finished goods. We are not going to produce raw material. We are going to produce finished goods. So write expected sales. Yeah, we can do together. Expected sales volume. How many unit? 27,000. Please, bro. Production budget 27,000. Then minus opening stock plus closing stock. Can I have the opening stock? Opening stock of finished goods. Where is opening stock of finished goods? Is I think 5,000. Am I correct? Okay. As per the question, it is 5,000. Closing stock is, opening stock is 5,000. Closing stock is 7,000. So we will get number of unit to be produced. How much? 29,000. Okay, so we prepared production budget. What is the equation? Expected sales minus opening stock plus closing stock. So we will get that 29,000. Simple. Next, as per the question, what mainly they asked to prepare? Raw material to be purchased. What are the raw material here? A and B. So we give the table like particular A, B. Write the heading. What? Purchase budget. Purchase budget. What we are going to purchase? We can write in bracket raw material. A and B. First we want to know how many unit of raw material A and B is required. So write raw material required. For producing, how many unit we are going to produce? 29,000. For producing 29,000. Here 29,000 into 4. How much? 1,16,000. Here 29,000 into 6 is equal to 1,74,000. So this is the required amount. But we have to consider other two things. What is opening stock of raw material and closing stock of? Less opening stock of raw material, add closing stock of raw material. What is the opening stock? Just refer 24,000 opening. Okay, 24,000. Then opening stock of B 30. Okay. Closing stock of A and B 26,000, 32,000. Yeah. So finally we will get raw material to be purchased. Raw material to be purchased. How much? Yes, tell me. 1 lakh 18,000. Then 76,000. So actually the total raw material required is what? 1,16,000. Why we deducted opening stock? Because we have already 24,000 stock in our hand, so it's not required to purchase it again. Then after production we need extra stock, that is known as closing stock. We should add with that. So finally we will get this amount as a number of unit to be produced. If question gives any price of raw material A and B, is it given any price of A and B? No. If they give, we had to multiply with that to calculate what? Actually here we calculated what is this? This is in unit. So if question gives the rupees per unit, we had better to also calculate the in value, okay, or rupees also. That's all.